Welcome to today's video, and today I am going to be showing you how I level my Ender 3 3D printer. It's getting. Alrighty, so yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to level the printer bed on my regular classic Ender 3 3D printer. I've had this one for about, I'd say, about a year and a half, 2 years, and I've done a lot of prints with them. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that right now. Alright, so yeah, as you guys can see, here is my printer. I've done a ton of prints with this, using normal PLA with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle. I think get the little piece off. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the proper way to do, well, proper way at least in my opinion. And yeah. Alright, so right now the 3D printer is on, and first thing you want to do is go to prepare, go to auto home, once that's all done you want to disable steppers so that you're able to, move the bed around and move that back and forth. What I recommend you do first is also tighten all of these down so that just in case it's too far up, it doesn't grind your nozzle. So once everything has been homed properly, I recommend that you get a set of feeler gauges, all the different sizes, and the one I recommend that you use is the 0.076 millimeter thickness feeler gauge. Then what you want to do is move the bed to the four corners and put it under the nozzle, preferably at a better angle. And then you loosen it till you feel a slight pull on the feeler gauge. And you do that for all of the corners around the bed. So here, back here, and you're not able to see it, but the one in the back corner. And you repeat those steps and you should be getting perfect prints. So now that you've done that, you should be ready to do a test print or just continue with whatever you were doing. It's pretty easy. Just make sure that you don't do it too tight, because if the nozzle is too close to the bed, it will grind and you'll just destroy your nozzle. So be sure not to do that. Obviously don't have it too far away, because you'll have terrible bed adhesion, and it's pretty simple. Just make sure to follow the steps and don't go too close, too far, and let's do a test print. Alright, so right now the printer is on. Obviously, if you have a Ender 3, you know how to print something. Let's do the 3D printer overhang test. Alright, now we just wait for the printer to heat up and start printing. Alright, so right now the printer is heating up. My temperature is set at 220 degrees for the nozzle and 50 degrees for the bed. Those seem to work pretty well for me, and yeah, let's wait as the nozzle finishes heating up. Alright, so as you can see, it is printing. The lines between each one seem to be perfect. The height is good, and everything seems to check out. It is very easy to level your bed, and hope this helps you. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Should be doing more 3D printing type videos. I'm going to be swapping out the main board for the fancier new one that Ender brought out and putting a touchscreen on this, so that should be very fun. So yeah, like I said, like, subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. Thank you much.